wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best snorkel gear. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the US Divers Lux Platinum is a great all-inclusive set whose pieces represent a step up from your average one. The mask has a low-profile 4-window design and a hypoallergenic silicone skirt, and the vented blades allow for smooth kicking without too much exertion. The J breather has a GoPro mount on the bottom, and it's a good price for a lot of components. However, the mask is prone to leaking. At number 9, not everyone has the swimming skills or confidence to hang out suspended in the water on their own for hours on end, and that's okay. For a little added safety, get the sealbuddy inflatable vest, which inflates quickly and fits securely via its crotch and waist straps. It's equipped with an easy-to-reach mouthpiece and comes with a bonus mesh bag, but it's not super comfortable. Coming in at number 8 on our list, with mesh walls and plenty of interior space, the Mari's Cruise Backpack provides a clean and convenient way to lug all your gear to and from the beach or boat. When it's done drying, which it does quickly, it can fold into its own pocket for compact storage. It has a soft integrated handle and sports an embroidered logo. However, it may be a little big for brief trips. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for snorkel gear, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, ditch that entry-level mask and breather and pick up the Phantom Aquatics Panoramic. The goggles feature a single lens with seamless side windows for wide-open viewing angles, while the tube boasts an extra-large exhaust and purge valve for quick and painless clearing. It's equipped with a soft and comfortable silicone skirt and allows for quick strap adjustments, but it can fog a little. Moving up our list to number 6. It might be a bit indulgent if you're not a frequent diver, but few pieces of equipment take the strain out of underwater adventuring like this Yamaha seascooter. It tops out at 2.5 miles per hour, but can reach depths of up to 100 feet, which should cover most people's needs. It offers a long 2-hour run time and an adjustable buoyancy. Of course, it is a very expensive investment. Halfway up our list at number 5. Frequent seagoers in the market for a new pair of fins should consider these Aqualung Stratos 3 for their next upgrade. They're a top-rated choice for serious divers everywhere, thanks in part to a progressive 4-channel structure that helps streamline water flow. These feature a reinforced full-foot pocket and side wings for better stability, but they are best for warm waters. At number 4, there may be more affordable budget models on the market, but if you're looking to capture your underwater adventures at the highest possible quality, you need the GoPro Hero 5 Black. It takes stunning videos in 4K and 12 megapixel pictures and is waterproof without the housing. It supports voice control and uses just one button to power on and record, plus it can upload automatically to the cloud. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Don't lose out on another snorkeling trip due to less than comfortable temperatures. Made of stretchy nylon plus a long, easy-to-reach zipper for getting in and out, the Seavenger Tropical Shorty is a low-cost wetsuit that's available in men's and women's options. It boasts durable flat lock stitching and flexible armpit panels. It's good for scuba diving too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for snorkel gear, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, anyone who's ever used a full-face mask knows just how much they can enhance a diving excursion, opening up whole new vistas of aquatic life, but few compare to the ocean reef aria. It has one of the largest fields of views of any out there, plus a removable GoPro mount. It's equipped with an extra-wide air tube and distributes the pressure evenly around the face, and it doesn't fog like traditional masks. And coming in at number 1 on our list, whether you're a beginner ready to take your very first outing or are a seasoned enthusiast shopping for a well-rounded kit to take on your far-flung adventures, the Cressi Palau won't disappoint. Each piece is robust and durably made, and these are great for kids too. It features travel-friendly fins and a simple ergonomic design. It comes in several different sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for snorkel gear, or simply click beneath this video.